Most pools look perfect, for about 5 minutes. Then reality shows up. Algae, cloudy water, that sinking feeling. That's where I come in. I'm Rooster Ray, your cannonballing pool lifesaver, and I've got the checklist to keep your water crystal clear. Instead of relaxing, you're out here scrubbing like a gladiator in flip-flops. And not the cool kind either. More like the sweaty guy, wrestling leaves. That's not vacation mode. That's cardio with algae staring you down. But if you nail my checklist, oh, magic happens. Water shining like a crystal trophy. Neighbors leaning over the fence pretending they're friendly. Truth is, they just want to peek at your pool. Kids always cannonball without fear. You can sit back smug, drink in hand, thinking, yep, I did that. Skip the checklist though, and it unravels fast. You're suddenly hosting a swamp convention. Algae RSVP first, bugs RSVP second. Bacteria sneak in for free. One day it's blue, 2 days later it's pea soup. Now you're up at 2 a.m., Googling how to fix a swamp. Being lazy and neglecting your pool doesn't just look bad, it drains your wallet. Chemicals, seals, pumps. They're all crying for mercy. If you thought pool toys were expensive, wait till you replace your heater 3 years early. See that big number? 70% of equipment failures, all from bad chemistry. That's not me being dramatic. That's fact. Pumps, heaters, seals. They don't survive unbalanced water. And you don't want to be the one saying, sorry folks, my pool's closed because the filter exploded. But hey, don't panic. Stick with me. I've got your weekly pool cleaning checklist covered. These 5 pillars hold this whole thing up. Knock one out, and everything else collapses. Our first pillar is skimming and brushing. Do it as if your life depends on it. Those leaves, bugs, and pollen, that's nature's starter kit for swamp life. 5 minutes of skimming now saves you hours later. And brushing? That's the unsung hero. It tears down algae's slimy little castle before they become fortresses. The second pillar, testing your water. So your friend's eyes don't burn when you dump in a chlorine ocean. Don't ever guess. Measure it. Just like Mom taught you when baking a cake, it's like a health checkup for your pool. Because clear water? Yeah, it can still be a bacterial rave. Skim daily if ducks are freeloading on your pool. Ducks love a buffet, but they don't pay your chlorine bills. Ignore it, and you're basically running a duck resort. Feathers in your filter. Bacteria on vacation. Brushing weekly is non-negotiable. Miss it once, and algae sets up shop for the long haul. Think burnt popcorn in the microwave. Ignore it, and the stink takes over everything. Treat brushing like yoga for your pool. Steady, calming, effective. Even this rooster gets pumped up and throws on goggles to brush like a beast. Care to join me? Vacuum weekly too. Skip it, and you'll be thrashing underwater like this poor guy, kicking up dirt clouds and questioning life choices. The third pillar is chemistry, so people don't smell like a YMCA locker room after one swim. This is where you win. Or you lose. Chemistry isn't scary. It's just numbers with consequences. Clean filters are happy filters. Dirty ones choke circulation. It's like running a marathon with a sock stuffed in your beak. And high pressure? That's your pool screaming. That little gauge? It's your check engine light. Ignore it, and your pet squirrel will make you regret it. Those boring test kits are more than just colorful. They're your crystal ball into the future. Drops, strips, digital. It doesn't matter which float your boat. Just pick the one you'll actually use. Here's where the magic numbers live. It's like a cheat code for crystal water, without the game genie. pH between 7.2 and 7.6. Alkalinity between 80 and 120. Cyanuric acid between 30 and 50. Free chlorine between 1 and 3. Keep those bars green so your pool wins. If they drift out of range, you and your pool lose. Keep them balanced, and it's fish-happy, cartoon-level water. Slip up, and suddenly it's a frog frat party. Ignore the warning signs, and chaos shows up fast. One day you're sipping lemonade, the next you're Googling how to kill black algae while crying into your skimmer net. So, test weekly, not yearly, not when the neighbors start complaining about the smell. Do it weekly. It's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Pillar 4 is circulation. Keep the water moving, or you're basically making people soup. Your pump, filter, and cleaner are the heart and lungs of the pool. Good circulation spreads chemicals evenly. Traps dirt, keeps water sparkling. Bad circulation? Cloudy water, algae hotspots, power bills through the roof. Skip filter care, and you'll face geysers. Dirty filters don't just clog, they fight back. They make your pump work 40% harder. That's like driving uphill in first gear forever. And our fifth and final pillar, celebrate. Yup, celebrate. Because what's the point of crystal water if you don't show it off? When your pool sparkles, invite friends. Throw a party. Grill burgers. Not algae. Once again, I'm Rooster Ray. Your lifeguard, your scrubber, your vacuum wrangler, even your chemistry wizard. One bird, way too many jobs, but I've got you covered. Your toolkit is simple. Net, brush, vacuum, and test. 4 tools for big results. Make sure you keep them close. When circulation hums, water shines like liquid diamonds, and the compliments roll in. Every time. That's Rooster-Approved Pool Perfection you can count on. So skim, brush, vacuum, test, and circulate every week. No excuses. Do that. The pool stays a backyard oasis. Skip it. You're running your kid's local biology lab. Now that you've got the checklist, go crow about your crystal clear water to anyone that'll listen.